Upon closer inspection, it looks like the holes for this front emblem have actually been filled in at some point. It needs to be able to push through with these prongs. So I did get a couple other cool things though. Check this out, Integra reprinted font plates from my friend Will. And then we're gonna go ahead and install my new shift knob. See how bad the old one is? Just completely worn off right here. So we're gonna swap it. How's that for a quick upgrade, yeah? Nice. So as it turns out, I didn't even have to use the drill. I basically just poked through what holes had been there previously, but patched with this bit, and didn't even have to activate the bit. And there we go. I will need to get some double-sided tape. It's just kind of sitting there for right now, but a nice improvement. Got my new manual in the mail today. Fresh pages to go in the booklet here. The good news is I just found 50 cents in the seat rail down here. This car actually needs a little bit of work, just like the SLX did, as far as interior detail. It's gonna be fun. I'll check out those racy aftermarket pedals and that nasty web of aftermarket alarm wiring. All gotta get ripped out. Gonna start picking some of these leaves out of the engine bay. The hood's kind of a mess underneath here. It's gonna be a full project in itself, just underneath the hood. Had a couple deliveries come for the Integra. I'm gonna ditch the spline drive aftermarket lug nuts and replace them with the OEM short traditional format here, as well as a touch-up bottle of the Supersonic Blue Pearl paint. And I'm gonna be using that right now to recolor these bumper plugs for the front bumper. Here's today's arts and crafts. I received these license plate bumper plugs in yellow, which was the only color available. So I'm hitting them with some Supersonic Blue touch-up paint that I got from automotivetouchup.com. Actually turned out pretty good. I have them installed now, and a prior order from Automotive Touch-Up came with a bottle of clear coat. So just to kind of dress them up a little bit, I'm gonna add some clear here. This exhaust tip is so gross. I didn't actually even realize it was supposed to be chrome. So I think I'm gonna work on that this afternoon. GSR is headed to Hanman, the 99 GSR that is. This thing has had a weird idle stumble ever since I got it almost a month ago. Gonna see if they can sort it out. It appears to be related to a distributor issue. Hoping that's the best case scenario. We'll see what they have to say about it. Wowza, so I didn't go over this in the lobby there because he was willing to make me a copy of it, but a lot of this stuff consists of things that I already knew about. Driver window not working, hood cable broken. They did note that there's a fresh head gasket. Looks like everything's aftermarket, lots of oil. Both fans installed wrong, that's a concern, right? Power antenna won't go down, I knew that. Wrong ignition wires, that's related to the replaced ignition, I'm sure. Mounts are aftermarket. Good grief. Left rear was hit pretty hard. See, so here's the thing. The car looks great on the surface, but I knew even just putting 400 miles on it driving home that it needed quite a bit.